some of the most popular animation clips online that rack up millions of views, and those views can easily turn into serious cash for their creators, whether it's through YouTube monetization, TikTok's creativity programs, or even sponsored deals. These videos are generating real income. One style that stands out is stick figure animation. It's fun, attention-grabbing, and surprisingly addictive. Chances are you've already come across one of these on your feed.
Shit is not that complicated. Get up early, go to the gym, eat healthy.
These guy here followed this same method, and today he has millions, thousands of views. What makes them so powerful? Not many people are creating them, so the competition is super low. On top of that, viewers rarely click away halfway through. Some even replay them, which boosts engagement even more. That kind of viewer behavior signals platforms like YouTube and TikTok to promote the videos to a wider audience, meaning more reach and more potential earnings. There are 3 main styles of these animations, but only one is completely free to create and super beginner-friendly. That's the one we'll be working on today. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through making your own free stick figure animation. It's simple, fast, and you can create unlimited content with it. But here's the catch. Miss a step, or get things out of order, and your video might not hit the mark. Let's dive in and get started. The first step is to go to this website called Adobeexpress.com. On the Quick Editing tab, you can also find Animate Character, or come to Quick Action, then Animate Character. Now on the Animate Character, you can come here. I already have the sticky feature selected, so all you need to do is come here and select Sticky, which is this character. And for your background, you can use any background of your choice. All right. So the next thing we need to do is to create our audio. So come to ChatGPT. I already made a prompt here. Tell ChatGPT I want you to give me 5 funny, relatable jokes, and must be very, very funny. Think about as a comedian in this space. ChatGPT will give you the response, and you can make any choice of which one you want to select. Now, I'll select this one, which I already did that. Then, come to Level Labs and create your audio. I already created mine. Then, when you are done, click Generate Speech. This will generate your audio. Now, when you finish generating your audio, you click on Download. When you finish clicking Download, that will download your audio. I already downloaded mine, which is This is my audio. Let's hear it.
Autocorrect once changed. I'm home to I'm hot. Now my mom doesn't talk to me, and my ex thinks I'm flirting. Thanks, Apple.
All right, let's go back to the Adobe Express. Now, under Adobe Express, click on Browse, not Record, Browse. This browse will enable you to select your audio. Let's wait for the magic.
Autocorrect once changed. I'm home to I'm hot. Now my mom doesn't talk to me, and my ex thinks I'm flirting. Thanks, Apple.
Wow, that's nice. When you are done, click on Download. And our stick figure animation is done. So what I like to do is to add some spice to the animation.
Autocorrect once changed. I'm home to I'm hot. Now my mom doesn't talk to me, and my ex thinks I'm flirting. Thanks, Apple.
Okay, so I'd like to add some laughing. Let's add some laughing emoji at the end. I do use Adobe Premiere Pro, but you can use CapCut.
I'm hot. Now my mom doesn't talk to me, and my ex thinks I'm flirty. Thanks, Apple. Autocorrect once changed. I'm home to I'm hot. Now my mom doesn't talk to me, and my ex thinks I'm flirty. Thanks, Apple.
If you post 2 to 3 videos a day, it's for sure you will see some results. Remember to check out all the resources I left in the description of the video, but don't forget to hit the like button to show your support, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing growth tutorials.